Lenovo's Legion Y530 and Legion Y7000 are gaming laptops with a new twist, subtlety. This isn't a characteristic one normally associates with gamers, but it makes sense for more mainstream users who want a PC with that kind of power but don't necessarily want to flaunt it. Your boss certainly doesn't need to know you fragbots after hours. Natch the Legion Y530 and the Legion 7000 will share the same basic internals with some differences in a few options and the same onyx black ABS plastic chassis. Their major differences are retail availability and lid design. Legion Y530, a Best Buy exclusive that ships in June with a starting price of $930, will have an ABS plastic lid with the word Legion stamped into one side, and an exposed piano hinge, see above. The Legion Y7000, see lead article image, which will be available in August at all other retailers, will have an aluminum lid with a white backlit Y Legion logo in the center, a covered hinge, and a starting price of $960. These laptops may be mass market, but Lenovo is offering one more nice design element: thin bezels. Computer vendors have to design more strength into those slender sides to protect the display, but it's worth it because it makes the laptop a little smaller and you're less distracted by blocky borders on either side of your view. Lenovo's Legion Y530 and Legion Y7000's lower key designs are part of the changing face of gaming. As more people play PC games, the stereotypes are melting away, and the choices are broadening along with the demographics. These laptops will be sold at Best Buy, Walmart, Target, and other mass market outlets. What you can be sure of is careful balance of bang for buck, and more choices, which is always a good thing. Lenovo's Legion Y530 and Legion Y7000's lower key designs are part of the changing face of gaming. As more people play PC games, the stereotypes are melting away, and the choices are broadening along with the demographics. These laptops will be sold at Best Buy, Walmart, Target, and other mass market outlets. What you can be sure of is careful balance of bang for buck, and more choices, which is always a good thing. The 15-inch IdeaPad Y700, for example, had glossy brushed aluminum surfaces, rubberized matte palm rests, red grills, and a reflective edge-to-edge display all in one. The Legion Y7000 is simpler, all matte, and much less showy than before for an ultimately sleeker gaming aesthetic. The three-sided narrow bezels are reminiscent to the Asus GL504 and FX705 series but with the webcam forced to a suboptimal position below the bottom edge. Fingerprints build up fairly quickly, especially on the rubberized palm rests and keyboard deck. Connectivity port selection and even positioning are identical to the Legion Y530. This means that most of the ports are located towards the rear of the system while the two sides have one USB Type-A port each. Lenovo's approach saves on desk space, but commonly used ports like USB Type-C and HDMI are more cumbersome to reach as a result. We can accept the lack of Thunderbolt 3 since the Legion Y7000 is technically a budget mainstream gaming system, but the absence of a SD card reader sticks out like a sore thumb. Communication. Whereas the Legion Y530 ships with a 1.73 Gbps Intel 9560 WLAN module, the Y7000 ships with the less expensive Realtek RTL8822B running at half the maximum theoretical transfer rate. Casual gamers are unlikely to notice the difference in performance. Perhaps more importantly, we experienced no connectivity issues during our time with the test unit.